Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us that the best of us are those who learn the Qur'an and teach it. One of the most amazing things about learning the Qur'an is that it is a journey that doesn't end. There are so many beautiful gems and treasures that are always there to be discovered. I would love to invite you to join me, inshallah, starting in September for a class on Qur'anic Arabic. In this course, we're going to take the journey of beginning to understand the nuances of the language of the Qur'an, beginning to understand the Qur'an in its original language. We're not just going to learn the mechanics of Qur'anic Arabic, but we're also going to learn to appreciate the nuances of the Qur'an and really delve deeper into the implications of the different ways that the language is used. So I really hope to see you all there. This is one of my favorite subjects to teach. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you are as well. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.